Now it is also with great honor to sponsor the confirmation and of the nominations and add interim appointments of several distinguished officials from the Department of Foreign Affairs. These individuals have demonstrated exemplary professionalism, unwavering patriotism, and an unrelenting commitment to elevating the standing of the Republic of the Philippines on the global stage. Their diverse experiences span continents and cover an expansive spectrum of diplomatic, economic, and cultural engagement. These nominees embody the excellence and integrity that the Philippine Foreign Service is known for, and allow me to present their outstanding credentials and contributions. Number one, Arvin Reyes de Leon, Chief of Mission Class 1, as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the United Mexican States, with concurrent jurisdiction over Belize, Republic of Costa Rica, Republic of Cuba, Republic of El Salvador, Republic of Guatemala, Republic of Honduras, Republic of Nicaragua, Republic of Panama, and the Dominican Republic. Ambassador Arvin de Leon is a visionary public diplomat and leading architect of the Philippine soft power strategy. As Assistant Secretary for Public Diplomacy at the Department of Foreign Affairs, he has advanced the country's international profile through culture, education, and people-centered engagement. His leadership in launching the public diplomacy caravan has brought foreign policy closer to local communities, empowering citizens to connect with diplomacy. A steadfast advocate for overseas Filipinos, he has promoted modern consular services and cultural initiatives that strengthen the global Filipino identity. Ambassador De Leon's dynamic approach continues to shape a more inclusive, strategic, and people driven Philippine diplomacy. Number two, Alan Lazaro de Niega, Chief of Mission Class 1, as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Republic of Poland with concurrent jurisdiction over the Republic of Lithuania and Ukraine. Number three, Bernadette Therese Chu Fernandez, Chief of Mission Class 1 as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Republic of Korea. Number four, Maria Teresa Torres Almohela, Chief of Mission Class 1 as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Federal Republic of Germany. Number five, Neil Frank Rivera Ferrer, Chief of Mission Class 1. Number six, Marshal Luis Macabale Alferez, Chief of Mission Class 1. Number seven, Mary Ann Alfonso Padua, Chief of Mission Class 1. Number eight, Roberto Gutierrez Manalo, Chief of Mission Class 2. As non-resident ambassador to the Republic of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyz Republic, and the Republic of Tajikistan. In addition to being ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary to the Islamic Republic of Iran, with concurrent jurisdiction over the Republic of Turkmenistan and the Republic of Uzbekistan. I think he is present online. Marie Charlotte Golim Tang, Chief of Mission Class 2, as non-resident ambassador to the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. In addition to being ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary to the Republic of Kenya, with concurrent jurisdiction over the Democratic Republic of Congo, Republic of Congo, Republic of Malawi, Republic of Seychelles, Federal Republic of Somalia, Republic of South Sudan, United Republic of Tanzania, Republic of Uganda, Republic of Rwanda, Republic of Burundi, and Union of the Comoros. Number 10, Evangeline Chu Ong Jimenez Ducro, Chief of Mission Class 2 as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary and Permanent Representative of the Republic of the Philippines to the Association of Southeast Nations in Jakarta, Indonesia. Number 11, Marford Mopera Angeles, Chief of Mission Class 2. Number 12, Indira Consigna Banyares, Chief of Mission Class 2. Adrian Elmer Soriano Cruz, Chief of Mission Class 2. Micah Magnolia Maog Fisher, Chief of Mission Class 2. Arlene Tullid Magno, Chief of Mission Class 2. Donna Musa Rodriguez, Chief of Mission Class 2. Ana Marie Layugan Hernando, Chief of Mission Class 2. Bolivar Laudet Bao, Gilbert Lleva Sagara, Ferdinand Pantas Flores, Jose Luzanta Garcia III, all for career ministers. Jose Carlo Grimaldo Morales, Foreign Service Officer Class 1. Regina Angeli Prado Ambrosio Carlos, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Regeta Marie Alindogan Antonio Escutin, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Joanna V. Demirin Arbado, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Adrian Audrey Lorenzo Bacay, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Dan Erwin Cruz Bagaporo, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Christian Louis Amisola Belleza, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. John April Marie Paz Bruno, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Monica Remsi Serante Kalangian, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Renee Gail Miralles Chua, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Frances Luisa Carrion Cleofas, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Mark Anthony Prado Dizon, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Crystal Ann Saking Dunuan, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Leslie Cedillo Escosura Bustamante, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Maria May Ilactao Fabros, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Cara Denise Calansingin Fraico, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Alea Marie Balyados Gica, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Sandra Therese Christine Condes Giang, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Joy Ann Barcelonia Lai, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Diane Shane de la Fuente Lipana, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Emilio Ong Lopwe Jr., Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Eloisa Catrina Villanueva Madamba, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Fatima Mejillo Castillo Mueller, Foreign Service Officer Class 2. Patricia Delfina Rajos, Teddy Edmund Tan Pavon, Christian Hope Vicente Reyes, Monera Fatima Lim Siriban, Junalyn Gift Kuli So, Laser Blitz Banyes Sumagaysay, Glenn Joseph de la Cruz Te, Melissa Ann Macaranyag Telan, Lorenzo Chris Dalita Vidal, Leo Marco Cortez Vidal, Maricar Samson Yambao, Sharon Buella, Villasario Yap, Levi Anthony Buera Malaylay, Angeli Margot, Elipanio Tolentino, and finally Susan Fib Real Sabado, all Foreign Service Officers Class 2. Mr. Chair, these esteemed colleagues and Foreign Service officers reflect the finest traditions of service, leadership, and dedication to our country. Their collective achievements reinforce the Philippines' commitment to responsible, forward-looking, and principled foreign engagement. I respectfully urge this august body to confirm their nominations and add interim appointments, confident that they will bring even greater honor to the Republic of the Philippines. I so move, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.